24 wooden piece star, very big, easy to take apart. Just need to find a sliding piece somewhere. Okay. You have to just take apart like that. Another sliding piece, and everything comes easily apart, no problem. Okay. We have 3 long pieces. Try to find them with 4 cutouts. 1, 2, 3, 4 cutouts. We have 2 other long pieces with also 4 cutouts plus extra cutout on the side. And finally a long life piece, only 2 cutouts. We have 1 piece absolutely no cutout, not the last piece that going to use to finish the star. We also 14 little pieces, 2 cutouts plus 1 cutout on the side. And we have 3 pieces with only 2 cutouts. To start to build the star, we use this 2 pieces, long piece, and 3 pieces with the 2 cutouts plus 1 cutout on the side. No, make a mistake. Sorry, no. We start with this 2 long pieces, 1 piece with only 2 cutouts that we place like that. Next we take this one, and finally 2 pieces with the 2 cutouts and 1 cutout on the side. We make like that. We take our last long piece with the 4 cutouts. We are going to slide like that, and we put on the side this piece. No, we need the 2 long pieces with the 4 cutouts plus the 2 cutouts on the side like that. And we're going to use 1 piece with the 2 cutouts like that, another one like that, and finally this one. No, we're going to use a piece with the 2 cutouts plus a cutout on the side. I'm going to put like that, cutouts facing the inside. Same on the other one, like that. We can turn the piece and do exactly the same. Cutout like that, cutout like that. Look, we have some things like that. We're going to take back our other piece like that, and now we're going to slide this piece above that one. The 2 cutout side going up like that, and we slide this piece like that. When it's done, we need to take 3 pieces with the cutout on the side, cutout go again this piece like that. Same with this one, like that. Like that, sorry. And you move the third one, oh, you can see on the side like that. One is done. To have easy, I'm using this piece, cutout facing up, and I'm going to slide. Doing that, I keep in place the 3 pieces. I'm doing exactly the same on the other side. Don't cutout going against that. Like same. Finally, last piece with the cutout like that, and I can slide the piece. Okay, we are close to be done. I'm taking the two last piece with the cutout facing up, and I put like that, and finally the last piece that I slide, and our big huge star is done.